Social Security check coming May 13, 2026. Who qualify Prerna Benefit TV? Social Security check is arriving on May 13, 2026, but only certain Americans qualify for this payment date. Millions of retirees are checking their bank accounts right now to see if their money is coming this week. Who qualify for the May 13 Social Security check? The Social Security Administration is preparing the next round of monthly payments for Wednesday, May 13, 2026. This payment is for Social Security recipients whose birthday fall between the 1st and the 10th of any month. That include retired workers, disability beneficiaries, and survivor benefit recipients. The SSA uses a standard Wednesday payment system every month to manage benefits for more than 71 million Americans. If your birthday falls between the 11th and 20th, your payment is scheduled for May 20. People born between the 21st and 31st are expected to receive their check on May 27. For many retirees, these payments are essential for paying rent, groceries, utility, and medical expenses during a time of rising inflation and economic uncertainty. How much money are Americans receiving? In 2026, average retired worker receive about $2,081 per month from Social Security. Disabled worker receiving around $1,634 monthly, while survivor benefits average roughly $1,625. However, every beneficiary receive a different amount depending on work history, lifeline earnings, and the age they started claiming benefit. Americans who delay retirement until age 70 often receiving much larger monthly check because delayed retirement credit increase payments every year after full retirement age. Some retiree may also notice smaller deposit after deduction for Medicare premium or taxes are applied to their monthly benefit who already got paid earlier this month. Not everyone is waiting for May 13. Some Social Security receipts already received their payment on May 1st, 2026. People who started receiving Social Security before May 1997 usually get paid on the 3rd of every month. Since May 3rd landed on a weekend this year, payments arrived early on Friday, May 1st. Americans receiving both Social Security and Supplemental Security Income, also known as SSI, also received their deposit earlier this month. The adjustment helped avoid delay caused by non-business days or weekend banking schedule. Why these Social Security payments matter so much? Social Security remains the main source of retirement income of millions of Americans. Rising healthcare costs, inflation, and concern about future benefit cuts are making every payment increasingly important. Many seniors now rely heavily on these monthly checks to maintain financial stability and avoid falling behind on initial expenses. Financial experts recommend monitoring your social security account regularly, understanding your payment schedule, and reviewing benefit details carefully to avoid surprises or delayed deposit.